Hello everyone, welcome back to my English learning YouTube channel. So today in this video we will talk about listening. If you really want to be fluent in English, at first you have to learn how to listen carefully. Do you know most of English learners spend hours reading and writing, but they ignore listening. And guess what? Without listening, speaking English fluently is almost impossible. Let me tell you why listening is important. Actually, listening is the first step of learning any language. When you are a child, did you learn grammar first? No, you learn your language by listening. If you listen carefully, you can learn correct pronunciation. You can understand natural expression, and your speaking English automatically improves. But there is a question: how to improve listening? Here are 3 easy tips to improve your listening skill. Tip number 1: watch English movie or YouTube videos and short reels with subtitles. Listen to English podcast and English songs. Tip number 3: practice active listening. When you listening something, try to understand that meaning. And always remember that the more you listen, the faster you learn. So dear friends, if you want to speak in English fluently, so start listening from today. If you found this video helpful, like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. So bye bye. See you soon in the next video.